The champions of the 2010 alamo, head coach Mike Gundy.
First, I want to say all Oklahoma State people that were loud and wearing orange all week, you guys were there for us tonight. We heard you. Great job. I want to thank our seniors for what they've been able to accomplish. We said in team meetings, the seniors from a year ago were the best we've ever had until this group took over and won 11 games. Very proud of the football team for what they've been able to accomplish to stay together. We also have a very special guest that we couldn't have done without. I want to, you guys give a hand to Mr. Boone Pickens. Sounds like Boone's from the Cowboys. He gave the pregame speech, so obviously it worked. So you've heard enough from me. I'm going to turn it over to the team. It's all about the team. After we get this trophy, we'll see this side. Then we'll move over to this side and take pictures. Great job, guys. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to Oklahoma State Cowboys, the 2010 Alamo Bowl champions. Football fans, be sure to check out the video walls for today's final game stats delivered by AT&T. And congratulations OSU, 2010 Alamo